This next topic is on the rules of differentiation for inverse trigonometric functions. So here are the formulas for inverse trigonometric functions. Number 1, d over dx of arc sine of u is equal to du over dx over the square root of 1 minus u squared, where the arc sine of u is greater than or equal to negative pi over 2, but less than or equal to pi over 2. Next, d over dx of arc cosine u is equal to negative du over dx over square root of 1 minus u squared, where arc cosine u is greater than or equal to 0, but less than or equal to pi. The third formula is d over dx of arc tan of u, which is equal to du over dx over 1 plus u squared, where arc tan of u is greater than negative pi over 2, but less than pi over 2. The fourth formula is d over dx of arc cotangent u is equal to negative du over dx over 1 plus u squared, where arc cotangent u is greater than 0 but less than pi. d over dx of arc secant u is equal to du over dx all over u square root of u squared minus 1, where arc secant u is greater than or equal to 0, but less than or equal to pi. And lastly, d over dx of arc cosecant u is equal to negative du over dx over u square root of u squared minus 1, where arc cosecant u is greater than or equal to negative pi over 2, but less than or equal to pi over 2. Let's take our first example. Find y prime if y is equal to arc sine x cubed. The formula will be d over dx of arc sine u is equal to this formula. Let u be our x cubed and du is 3x squared. Plugging in the values here in this right side, du over dx is 3x squared over square root of 1 minus u squared. Hence, our answer will be y prime is equal to 3x squared over the square root of 1 minus x raised to 6. Second example, let's find f prime x if f of x is equal to arc secant 2x over 3. The formula will be the d over dx of arc secant u. Let u now be 2x plus 3. If that is our u, our du over dx is 2 over 3. Plugging in the values, du over dx is 2/3 over u. Our u is 2x over 3 times the square root of 2x over 3 square minus 1. Simplifying, we have 2x over 3 squared is 4x squared over 9. And 2/3 cancels out, so we are left with x here. And then f prime of x is equal to 1 over x square root of 4x squared minus 9 over 9. And our final answer will be 3 all over x square root of 4x squared minus 9. The third example is find y prime if y is equal to arctan of sine 2x. So the formula that we're going to use is this one. So our u here is sine 2x. Here is our u, it's sine 2x. Hence, our du over dx is 2 cosine 2x. Let's plug in the values in this formula. Du over dx, numerator will be 2 cosine 2x, and our denominator will be 1 plus u squared, which is sine squared 2x. Fourth example, let's find y prime if y is equal to arcsine of x over the square root of 1 plus x squared. The formula is this one. arc sine of u, du over dx all over 1 square root of 1 minus u squared. Our u is x over square root of 1 plus x squared. Let's plug in the values. The numerator is our du over dx. Since our u is a quotient, we will be applying quotient rule. So the denominator will have to be squared. So here is our denominator. Square root of 1 plus x squared, quantity square is 1 plus x squared. For the numerator, that is square root of 1 plus x squared times d over dx of x, which is simply 1. Okay, minus x times d over dx of the denominator, which is 2x over 2 square root of 1 plus x squared. And then for our denominator part here, square root of 1 minus u squared, since our u is x over square root of 1 plus x squared. We will cancel out 2, and we will be having this part in simplifying the numerator. So we will be taking the LCD of this numerator, which is square root of 1 plus x squared. And we will be having 1 plus x squared minus x squared. Copy all 1 plus x squared, this part, all over, again, take the LCD, which is 1 plus x squared, and the numerator is 1 plus x squared minus x squared. Obviously, we will be canceling out x squared minus x squared and the other x squared minus x squared here. Next, to simplify, we have this numerator part. Take a look. This part, this numerator part, becomes 1 all over 1 plus x squared times the square root of 1 plus x squared. And then this denominator, since x squared minus x squared is cancelled out, we are left with 1 over the square root of 1 plus x squared. And simplifying further, our final answer will be y prime equals 1 over 1 plus x squared. So those are the 4 examples, and we're giving you here 3 exercises, problems to find the derivative of the given functions, and the answers are here. So good luck. Hope you'll be able to answer them. Thank you.